High above Naples, overlooking the bustling city and the sparkling Bay of Naples, stands a fortress unlike any other. Castel Sant'Elmo, a star-shaped sentinel guarding history, art, and the spirit of southern Italy. Construction began in 1329 under the Angevin rulers, but the fortress we see today was largely rebuilt in 1537 by the Spanish, who transformed it into a star-shaped bastion, a design perfectly suited for artillery defense. Its unique geometric layout allowed defenders to cover every angle and made it nearly impossible for enemies to breach. Sant'Elmo has seen it all: sieges, revolts, and political prisoners. In the 18th century, it became a state prison, housing rebels and revolutionaries who challenged Bourbon rule. Its thick walls and commanding terraces made escape nearly impossible. But Sant'Elmo isn't just about military might. Its elevated position offers panoramic views of Naples, the Bay, and even Mount Vesuvius, making it a vantage point for both soldiers and travelers alike. It also forms part of Naples' triple castle triangle. Down by the waterfront sits Castel dell'Ovo, the legendary egg castle, oldest of the three and steeped in myth. Closer to the city center is Castel Nuovo, the grand royal palace fortress built by Charles of Anjou. Together, these three fortresses tell the story of Naples' power, defense, and enduring history. Today, Castel Sant'Elmo is a museum and cultural venue, hosting exhibitions, events, and festivals. Visitors climb its ramps and terraces, imagining cannon fire and royal processions, while admiring the breathtaking cityscape below. Castel Sant'Elmo stands as a testament to Naples' resilience, a fortress that is both a guardian of history and a beacon of culture, offering a star-shaped view of a city that has survived empires, revolutions, and time itself.